skyline, the CN Tower gleams in the heartbeat of the city where we chase our crazy dreams. Streetcars clanging, black queen streaks of light. In the city come alive, day flows into night. From Kensington's market to the distillery's art, this multicultural haven always stealing hearts. Young Dundas Square where life pulsates grand, stomping through the snow or sinking in the sand. Welcome to Toronto, where the streets never sleep, where the laughter is loud and the roots run deep. Feel the rhythm of the city, hear it loud and true. Welcome to Toronto, it's calling out to you. From Bloor Street's bustle to the lake's gentle breeze, we take the world by storm, we rise with ease. Through the seasons we thrive, with a spirit bold. In Toronto's embrace, where stories unfold. On the edge of Lake Ontario, we set our sights high, with dreams big as the night that fills our vibrant sky. In the chorus of cultures where every voice is proud, in Toronto's open arms, we're never just a crowd. Welcome to Toronto, where the streets never sleep, where the laughter is loud and the roots run deep. Feel the rhythm of the city, hear it loud and true. Welcome to Toronto, it's calling out to you. Toronto, where the streets never sleep, where the laughter is loud and the roots run deep. Feel the rhythm of the city, hear it loud and true. Welcome to Toronto, it's calling out to you.